Wake up, Fajr time has already passed, and you are still sleeping.
Mom, I was very tired last night.
The world never stops for a sleeping person.
I just want 5 more minutes.
Sometimes 5 minutes of sleep can make us miss blessings.
I didn't think about it like that.
Our Prophet taught that mornings contain barakah for the ummah.
Okay, Mom, I will wake up earlier tomorrow, inshallah. Do you also struggle to wake up early for Fajr? Tell me in the comments.
Mom, why does school start so early every day? Because discipline builds strong people.
But my bed feels more comfortable than school.
Comfort can slowly make a person lazy.
I never thought sleep could affect life so much.
Shaitan loves delaying good habits little by little.
Maybe that's why I keep wasting my mornings.
A successful day often begins with an early morning. Do you feel more productive in the morning or at night? Comment below.
Mom, I can't find my school uniform anywhere.
Did you leave it on the floor again?
I think I forgot after changing clothes.
Disorder outside often creates disorder inside the mind too.
I was too busy watching videos last night.
Too much distraction makes small responsibilities feel heavy.
Islam really teaches discipline in small things too.
Yes, even cleanliness and organization are part of our deen.
Are you organized or messy in your daily life? Tell me in the comments. Mom, where are my school shoes? Didn't you leave them near the door yesterday? I can't find them anywhere now.
Okay, I'm already getting late because of this. Every careless action creates stress later. That is why Islam teaches responsibility even in small matters.
Wait, I found them under the sofa.
Next time, put everything in the right place before sleeping.
Do you also lose important things when you are in a hurry? Comment below.
Sit down and eat your breakfast first.
Mom, I'm already late for school.
Your body also has rights over you.
I'll just eat chips later with my friends.
Fast food fills the stomach, but not the body properly.
That's probably why I feel tired every day.
Allah gave us health as an amanah.
Okay, Mom, I'll at least drink the milk. Do you skip breakfast when you are in a hurry? Tell me in the comments.
Why is everything always rushed in the morning?
I'm trying my best, Mom.
Stress grows when we delay important things.
I should have packed my bag last night.
Small delays slowly become big problems.
You always say planning saves time.
Exactly. So let's plan and pack now. Even Islam teaches preparation before action.
I understand now why planning matters so much. Do your mornings also become stressful sometimes? Comment below. Oh no, the milk spilled everywhere.
Careful, slow down, and don't panic.
Everything is going wrong this morning.
Sometimes Allah shows us how weak and rushed we really are.
I was trying to finish quickly.
Rushing too much often creates more problems.
I even ruined my school papers now.
Calmness is also a beautiful teaching of our Prophet.
Do small problems ruin your mood quickly too? Tell me in the comments.
Mom, I forgot my homework on the table. You worked on it for 2 hours last night. I know, but I forgot to put it in my bag. This is why responsibility is more important than excuses. My teacher will be disappointed in me. A believer learns from mistakes instead of repeating them. I should check my bag carefully every night now. Good habits protect us from unnecessary stress. I'll do that from now on. Have you ever forgotten something important before leaving home? Comment below. Give me your school bag quickly.
Why are you checking it again?
Because sometimes one missing thing can ruin the whole day.
I think everything is inside now.
Your lunchbox is missing too.
Oh no, I forgot that as well.
The mind becomes distracted when the heart is attached to too many useless things.
Maybe
Do you double check your bag before leaving home? Tell me in the comments.
Your teacher just sent me a message. What did she say? She said you looked distracted in class yesterday. Oh. I couldn't focus properly. A distracted mind slowly loses confidence too. I think I worry too much about what others think. The heart finds peace when it remembers Allah more than people. I never thought about it that way before. Do you also overthink what people think about you? Tell me in the comments.
Mom, I feel nervous about today's class presentation.
Why are you so worried?
What if I forget everything while speaking?
Fear grows when we think too much about failure. Everyone in class speaks confidently except me. People only see the outside, Allah sees the struggle inside too.
I never thought Allah notices small fears like this.
Allah is closer to us than we realize.
Do you also feel nervous before speaking in front of others? Comment below.
Mom, I don't want to speak English today.
Did something happen yesterday?
Some students laughed when I mispronounced a word.
Mocking others is not the character taught by our Prophet. But I still feel embarrassed. Every expert once struggled with simple words too.
What if they laugh again?
Speak for improvement, not for people's approval.
Are you also afraid of making mistakes while speaking English? Tell me in the comments.
Listen carefully. Confidence does not come in one day. Then how does it grow? By trying again after every uncomfortable moment. Even when people judge us, people judged many prophets too, but truth still remained truth. That makes my school fear feel smaller. Allah never wastes sincere effort. Okay, Mom, I will try my best today, inshallah.
What motivates you when life feels difficult? Comment below.
Mom, the school bus already left. Oh no, we are too late now. I told you everything was going wrong today.
Sometimes one small delay changes the whole morning. My teacher will be angry again. Panicking never solves a problem. Then what should we do now?
First say Bismillah, then we will find another way.
Have you ever missed your bus or ride before?
Tell me in the comments.
I'm booking a taxi right now. Will we reach school on time? We will try our best and trust Allah for the rest. I still feel nervous inside.
Worrying too much steals peace from the heart. The taxi is taking too long to arrive. Patience during stress is loved by Allah. I think patience is harder than people say.
Do you stay calm or panic during stressful situations? Comment below.
Mom, I forgot my water bottle at home.
You were holding it just a few minutes ago. I think I left it on the kitchen table. This morning keeps becoming more difficult.
Should we go back and get it?
No, we are already very late now.
Mom, I feel like everything is falling apart today.
Some difficult mornings teach lessons we remember for years.
Do small mistakes ruin your whole mood too? Tell me in the comments. Mom, why is the traffic not moving?
There seems to be a big traffic jam ahead.
We are definitely going to be late now.
Life also stops sometimes, just like this road.
I hate waiting like this.
Patience is easy to say, but difficult to practice. Everyone outside looks stressed too.
The world is full of people carrying hidden worries.
Do traffic jams make you angry too? Comment below.
Mom, my teacher will think I'm irresponsible. One bad morning does not define your whole character. But this keeps happening again and again. We'll work on
Repeated mistakes are signs we need better habits. I really want to become more disciplined. Change begins when a person becomes honest with themselves.
I think I waste too much time every night.
A person who controls time slowly controls life too.
What habit are you trying to improve in your life? Tell me in the comments. Mom, my heart is beating so fast right now. Relax and take a deep breath. I keep imagining everything going wrong.
Fear becomes louder when the heart forgets Allah.
How do I stop overthinking?
Sometimes repeating small du'as brings peace back to the heart.
I never noticed how calm du'as can make a person feel.
Allah did not create hearts to live in constant panic.
What helps you feel calm during stressful moments? Comment below. Mom, we finally reached the school gate.
See, Allah opened a way even after all the problems.
I thought this day would be a complete disaster.
Difficult moments often look bigger inside our minds.
I still feel nervous about entering class late.
Walk in with honesty and confidence. Thank you for not getting angry at me today. A mother's heart worries more than it shows.
Do you also overthink small problems sometimes? Tell me in the comments.
Can anyone explain the answer to this question? I think I know it, but I'm scared to speak.
Don't be afraid, just try.
What if my answer is wrong? Mistakes are part of learning. Everyone is looking at me right now. People forget small mistakes faster than you think. Okay, I will try to answer.
Do you get nervous when everyone looks at you? Tell me in the comments.
I think the answer is honesty builds trust.
Good, continue speaking.
Honest people are respected by others.
Very nice, speak a little louder.
Islam also teaches us to always speak the truth.
Excellent point.
My voice is still shaking a little.
Confidence grows every time you try.
Does your voice shake when speaking in public? Comment below.
You explained it really well.
Really? I thought everyone would laugh at me.
No, we all make mistakes sometimes.
I usually stay quiet because I feel nervous. Trying is better than staying silent forever. That actually makes me feel better.
A good friend gives confidence, not fear.
I wish more people supported each other like this.
Do supportive people make life easier for you too? Tell me in the comments. Mom, something surprising happened today.
What happened?
I answered a question in front of the whole class.
See, fear becomes smaller once we face it.
I was shaking at first, but then I felt calm.
Allah often opens doors after we take the first step.
I think I was stopping myself more than others were.
Many prisons in life exist only inside the mind.
What fear are you trying to overcome in your life? Comment below.
Mom, today was actually a good day. I'm happy to hear that. My classmates appreciated my answer in class. Kind words can heal hidden fears.
I feel more confident now. Allah changes hearts slowly, not instantly. I think today taught me something important. Difficult mornings can still lead to beautiful endings.
Has one small moment ever changed your whole day? Tell me in the comments.
Mom, this morning felt like a disaster at first. Yet Allah still helped us through every problem. I learned that panic only makes things harder, and trusting Allah brings peace to the heart. I also realized confidence grows little by little. That is how life changes, through small daily improvements.
I want to become more disciplined from now on.
A beautiful life begins when the heart remembers Allah regularly.
What lesson did this story teach you? Tell me in the comments.